Check out this step-by-step guide to help turn your idea into a successful business. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is K. I'm Chistisiam and welcome to my YouTube channel Born for Entrepreneurs. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know about how to start a business. There are no boundaries on who can become a great entrepreneur. You don't really master a university degree or a lot of money in the bank or even business experience to start something that could become the next main success. However, you need a strong business plan and the energy to see it through. If you are an entrepreneur but might not know how to start building your own kingdom, that's why I am going to make this video. First of all, you have to evaluate yourself. Let's jump with the simplest question. Why do you want to start a business? Use this question to guide what kind of business you want to start. Once you have the solid and accurate reason, start asking yourself even more questions to help you figure out the type of business you should start. Question number 1. Are you even ready to be an entrepreneur? Number 2. Where is your area of experience? Number 3. What skills do you have? Number 4. Where does your passion lie? Number 5. How much money you can afford to spend? And question number 6. How much capital do you need? Be honest with your answers. This will make a foundation for everything you do moving forward. So, isn't it better to know the truth now than later? Now it's time to think of business idea. Congratulations if you have a great business idea. You can continue in the next section. If you don't have a great business idea, no problem. There are many ways to start brainstorming for a profitable business idea. Here are a few pointers that will help you to break down potential business ideas. So, at first, ask yourself what's the next, what technology or development is coming soon and how that changes will impact on your business. Then you have to fix something that bugs you. If your business can fix a problem for your customers, your business will be successful. Then apply your skills to an entirely new field. Use the better, cheaper and faster approach. Do you have a business idea that isn't completely new? If so, think about the current market and focus on how you can create something better, cheaper or faster. Also, go out and meet people and ask them the questions, get advice from other successful entrepreneurs, research ideas online or use whatever method makes the most sense to you. After getting a great business idea, now it's time to do market research. Market research can give you a business picture of what kinds of product and services may bring a good profit. By researching the answer to exact questions, you can learn whether you need to change your package design or change the delivery methods. It's so important to ask the right decisions, right questions to the right way and to the right people. Research done poorly can change a business in the wrong directions. You should also know about the common market research mistakes. They are using only secondary research, using only web resource and serving only the people you may know. Many new business owners often try to save money and time on market research. Then they may take shortcuts that can later backfire. So you have to ensure you do market research very properly. Now it's time to get feedback. Let people interact with your business product or service and see what their take is on it. A different set of eyes can help point out a problem you might have missed. Even these people will become your first brand advocates, especially if you listen to their input and they like the product or service. You should have a plan on how to receive feedback. If someone doesn't like one idea, it doesn't mean they hate everything you have just said. If you keep hearing the same observations, then it's time to start sitting up and taking action. Figure out why someone liked or didn't like something. How could you make it better? What would be a better solution? Now let's go to make it official. Get all legal aspects out of the way early. A quick checklist of things to shore up might include business structure, business name, register your business, license, necessity bank account, trademark and copyrights. While something you can do on your own, it's best to consult with a business consultant when starting out, so you can make sure you have covered everything that you need. So now you have to write your business plan. Without a business plan, no one can imagine a successful business. Almost we all know that a business plan is a written descriptions of how your business will change from when it starts to the finished product. 8 things should be in your business plan, and they are: number 1, title page, then executive summary, then business descriptions, market policies, competitive analysis, design and development plan, operation and management plan, and obviously finance factors. For each sector, you can spend between 1 or 3 pages. A short or a very long business plan is worthless. 20 to 30 pages business plan is accepted to all the investors. Now it's time for finance your business. There are many different ways to get resources you need to start your business. Take a look and consider your own resources, current situations and life state to figure out which one works best for you. There are 8 best ways for finance your business. Fund your startup yourself, pitch your needs to friends and family, request a small business grant, start a crowdfunding campaign online, apply to local angel investor groups, join a startup incubator, negotiate an advance from a strategic partner or customers, and seek a bank loan or line of credit. The next step is develop your product or service. After all the works you have put into starting your business, it's going to feel awesome to actually see your idea come to in life. But remember, it takes a creativity to create a product. If you want to start a mobile app and you are not a mobile app developer, you will need to reach out to a technical person. Or if you need to mass produce an item, you will have to come up with a manufacturer team. When you are ready to do product development and outsource some of the tasks, make sure you retain control of your product and learn consistently. Implement checks and balance to reduce your risk. You have to hire a specialist, not generalist. Start learning as much as you can about the productions so you can improve your process and your hiring decisions as time goes along. Now it's time to build your team. To get success in your business, you are going to need to hand off our responsibilities to other people. You need a great team. Whether you need a partner, employee or freelancer, make sure everyone understands the vision and their role within the mission at the very start, and also establish a strong company culture. Now let's go to find a business location. A perfect business location is a key for many businesses. So you have to find a perfect and easy access business location for your business. This could mean an office or a store. Your properties will vary depending on need, but here are 10 basic things to consider. Number 1 is style of operations, then demographics, foot traffic, accessibility and car parking, the building infrastructure, ordinance, image and history of the area, proximity to other businesses and services, competitions, rent, utilities and other costs. So now start getting some sales. It really doesn't matter your product or industry. Your business future is going to depend on revenue and sales. You can't be too shy to ask for a next step to close a sale, but you also can't make customers feel as you are forcing them into a sale. The last step is to grow your business. Once you have a new customers, you have to understand how to retain them. Keep researching the market, hiring good people and marketing and a great product development is also key for your business. Thanks for watching. If you need business ideas, business plan or investment tips, you can visit the website businessdaily24.com. I'm sorry for my poor accent. I will be glad if you like the video and give me some idea on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.